I don't really look for anything when I'm collecting. I just sort of end up with stuff. People call me, or I hear about something and I call them. This was the old Emerald City Club, which used to be across the street from the Shakespeare Festival when I worked there. Idenhaw, we all love the Idenhaw. Arnie's was a hairdressing salon downtown. 20th Century Bowling, which was originally on Idaho Street. The Idaho Camera sign. There's the tripod from the Idaho Camera. And some of them I've actually had to pay for, but mostly they've been donated. I paid for the Fiesta Ballroom because I wanted it. I'm the founder of Signs of Our Times, and I started collecting signage 7 years ago on a fluke. Somebody offered me some signs, and I'm like, okay, those are interesting. So I've been collecting signs for a long time, and vintage signs specifically from Boise. Oh wow, Boise State in the 70s. It was pretty fun. Well, I went to school there, though I have a degree in econ, which has nothing to do with what I've ever ended up doing, except for that it was a good basis. I sort of got really into the arts when I went to work for the Shakespeare Festival, and where I was for a very long time. And my business degree was pretty helpful on how to run a nonprofit. And then I've just carried all those sort of skills forward. You know, I've served on the City Arts Commission. All of that has just sort of tied in my interest in art and my businessy background. The feedback on the Neon Grove project, even before it was lit, was positive. People were really excited and looking forward to seeing them. It is definitely covers both art and history. It's art because it's how the signs are. They're painted by artisans. Neon is an art form. Putting them together as a collection was very much an art and how they were arranged. And then history. This work is very important to Boise because a lot of our history is gone. All the buildings of those signs are gone. And so this is all that's left. And so it's really important for communities to hang on to parts of their history and to display them and to honor them so that people go, oh yeah, I remember that, or my grandfather worked there. Or, you know, it's just a nice thing to do. When the lights came on for the first time, it was pretty exciting, was fun. It was great to have a lot of people there who were cheering. It was a pretty exciting, fun event. I hope that when people drive past it or walk past it, they just feel happy and joy and nostalgic and proud of our town. I mean, those are sort of the feelings that I hope people get from it.